mouth consists of several important structures that aid in digestion, speech, and overall oral health. Here are the key parts. 1. Teeth, help in cutting, grinding, and chewing food. 2. Tongue, assists in tasting, swallowing, and speaking. 3. Hard palate, the bony front part of the roof of the mouth, providing structure. 4. Soft palate, the soft, muscular back portion of the roof of the mouth, aiding in swallowing and speech. Five. Uvula, a small, hanging tissue at the back of the soft palate, helping with speech and preventing food from entering the nasal cavity. 6. Salivary glands, produce saliva, which helps in digestion and keeping the mouth moist. 7. Gums, gingiva, the pink tissue surrounding and supporting the teeth. 8. Inner cheeks, contain mucous membranes that keep the mouth moist and help in food movement. 9. Tonsils, lymphoid tissues at the back of the throat that help fight infections.